This question is asking us to find the vertex of the following parabola algebraically. And it's asking us to give our answer written as a point in the x comma y format. The parabola is y equals x squared minus 2x minus 6. For this question, we're going to first find the axis of symmetry and then use that to find the y part of our vertex. Our parabola is given as y equals x squared minus 2x minus 6, and we're going to identify first our a value, our b value, and our c value. Our a value is the coefficient on the x squared term, so in this case that's 1. Our b value is the coefficient on the x term, in this case it's negative 2. And our c value is our constant term, or negative 6. From here, we're going to use the axis of symmetry equation, which is x equals negative b all over twice a. So what we're going to do is take that negative 2 value and plug it in for b, take that 1 value and plug it in for a. That gets us negative 2 all over 2 times 1. Negative 2 is positive 2, 2 times 1 is positive 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we know that our axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals 1. Kind of in our mind, we're thinking what that means is that our parabola is kind of centered on that line x equals 1. I don't know if it's going to be an upside down parabola or a right side up parabola. In fact, I could use the a value to tell me that. In this case, the a value is positive 1, so it is a right side up parabola, but I don't know exactly where it's going to finish. To find that height, we're going to use the value of 1. We're going to plug that 1 into our original equation. So instead of being x squared, it's going to be 1 squared. Instead of being 2 times x, it's going to be 2 times 1. So we're just taking our original equation, x squared minus 2x minus 6, and replacing the x values with a 1 because we know x equals 1 is our axis of symmetry, and the vertex will be somewhere on this line. 1 squared is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, and so we end up here at 1 minus 2 minus 6. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, minus 6 is negative 7. And so what we have here is our y part of our point. And so our address of our vertex is 1, comma, negative 7. We'll come back over here and we will input our point as 1, comma, negative 7. We will close our parentheses and submit our answer. We will confirm, and in fact, we are correct. Again, you can see their work, identify A, B, and C. You're going to want to use the axis of symmetry formula, substitute in, and get your x part of your point. From there, plug that 1 into the original equation to find the y part of the point.